you don't.
That was the
Ah! Raise the arm.
No, I can't. I can't do it.
Do it.
I can't do it, babe. I can't. I'm not doing it. Holy. Sorry. Ah, I felt that like all the way down.
Time's fine.
I died a little.
Tilt your head to the right.
Okay.
Okay, keep doing that.
Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go meet up with some of my girlfriends because we're gonna go get adjusted and get soft tissue treatment. I am so excited. I'm way overdue for an adjustment. I need it. So I share a lot of my workouts and recipes here on my channel, but I don't really share a lot of my recovery work or self-care practices. So that's what we're doing today. I get a lot of headaches from tightness in my neck, my traps, and my upper back muscles from lifting so much. And I'm also working on improving my posture, so I get regular treatments for those. Today, we're gonna go see Bo at his office. So most of you who've been following me for a while know that Bo is my fiance. So just a little disclaimer, because I know you'll notice that we're all pretty laid back and comfortable with each other. That's because we're all friends and he's my fiance. So we're not just going to some random doctor's office that I've never been to before. We all know each other well. Both of my girlfriends have actually been treated by Bo and his other providers several times in the past for previous injuries that they've had. So today they're just tagging along for fun to get an adjustment, and because Bo is usually pretty booked out like months in advance, so they are getting the Lais fiance hookup today. So let's go.
And pull. And pull.
Ooh, yeah.
Nice. Híjole.
Yeah, man.
All right, let's stand up. Have you face that way. Yeah, so hands are gonna go right there. All right, let me face up. Let's do your ankles. And scoot back. Nice shoes.
Thanks.
Side facing too.
I'm just.
And scoot. Scoot, scoot, scoot.
Did the leg pop and everything?
Yeah. No promises. It's his first time.
Yeah.
Here we go. Whoop, there it is. I thought you knew.
What the hell was that?
Awesome, right?
How are you feeling? Feeling good. Real good.
How good?
Real good.
Push back with both arms. And keep going back with this arm. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And same thing with this side.
Wow.
Good. Push back. It's right there where you're stuck. Feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This feels really good.
Make posture open up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it weird to show the elevator?
Yeah. Ah!
Yeah, look down.
Whoa, this eye is so much brighter than the other one.
Yeah.
Holy sh**. Oh wow, that's so weird.
Yeah.
So much more light is going into this one.
Look down.
freaking ball.
So your neck itself is not bad.
Oh wow.
There's the good stuff.
Oh my god.
I'm just gonna be like, what's going on over there? Can I get whatever is cheese? I'll take that.
It's not good.
Contrary to sounds, this is not the pleasure room.
Hell no.
Oh, wow. Don't die, friend.
How you feeling, babe? And she's back.
No, you don't.
That was the
Raise the arm.
No, I can't. I can't do it.
Do
I
it.
can't do it. I can't do it, babe. I can't. I'm not doing it. I can't do it.
Are you doing it?
Oh my god, that hurts so bad.
Get it both.
Wow.
Oh, it's getting better.
Okay. Yeah, it's getting better.
There you go.
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
We don't have to do the other side. It's okay. Okay, okay. Wow. What are these sounds that come out? Like,
You ready for childbirth, babe?
no, definitely not.
She's like, no.
Definitely not.
Stand up. Face towards me. Go there.
This way?
Yeah. There it was.
That's the one.
That was the one.
That's the one. I feel good. Thank you.
You're welcome. That reaction.
I died a little.
Classic. She crispy.
I done caught myself all day.
I saved it up for this.
Yeah.
Bring you back over. Deep breath. Go like that.
Me and Bo are best friends.
What's up? Nice. And sit up. But that works too. Alright, hand on the hip. And pull the elbow back. Good. And same thing here. And pull.
Okay, Carlos, we're supposed to be friends.
Good. Okay, come back down. Keep doing that one. And breathe. Breath is good.
Oh yeah, breathe.
So, there. Vanessa.
Raise the roof.
Pump that fist. 3. Good.
You're not as bad as me.
I've been doing my homework. No.
You're gonna tilt your head to the right.
Okay.
Okay, and keep doing that. Right ear to right shoulder. Come back. Good. Yeah. Keep doing that. As far as you can. Tilt. How was that?
Yeah.
One more.
Oh no. Ow!
2.
Ow, Bo, ow. Ow, 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 ow.
Totes got this.
No, I don't.
Totes. There's the good one.
Okay, you got it.
If you still feel it, you don't have it yet.
I
Still
tap,
kinda lean away
tap
from
out, tap out.
You tried to tap out. That's what I was feeling.
I like Carlos better.
Yeah, I'll do.
See?
My mom.
All right, let's get arms across. Lean back. Deep breath. And out.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel. Becky with the good cracks.
Holy sorry. Ah, I felt that like all the way down.
Tiger's
Whoa.
fine. That's the reaction.
That was crazy.
Yeah. Lumbars. Go on your side facing me. And then scoot up to the edge. Perfect. Okay. Deep breath in, out. There. Same thing on this side.
Whoa. Too close to the edge.
Deep breath in and out.
There.
Oh yes.
I like it.
Very nice.
Very nice, very nice.
Oh, the crunch.
super pop.
How you feel?
Super pop.
So good.
Stand up. And out.
Trust crunch.
Exactly.
So good for the press crunch.
Go up and down.
There's the good stuff. There it is.
Up and down?
Yeah.
Holy. Ah.
Everyone. There.
Frick.
One more.
You're one more.
Your face is one more.
That's
I
right.
know you are, but what am I?
Praise the Lord.
I like that. Okay.
Oh, that was like the numbing shoots through the.
Oh, the old numbing shoots. I know those ones.
They'll get you.
Subscaps or subscaps for train wreck. I can already see them.
Okay. After this one.
What? You talking shit about my subscaps?
Yeah. Tilt over. Gonna do about it, dog.
This way?
Other way.
That way.
That way.
Okay.
This way.
Oh.
And then here. Nice. Very nice. Yeah.
Damn it!
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're observer.
And I'm gonna get under.
What?
Wait.
Sorry, I'm so sweaty. Ah! Mm-hmm.
2, 1. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Right there.
Never lifting again. Ah!
No, she wasn't ready.
Nobody's ever ready.
Damn it! This is not nice. Frickin' seriously? What about a lacrosse ball? I will never look at my phone again, I promise. Oh! I'm just gonna keep going up with you. I hate this.
Good game.
Whew.
Oh, that feels
We done.